It's some rap. It's some rap.
So we've just set off from South Mimms on the trip to the British Motor Museum. There is quite a few T2s already. We're going to be meeting up with probably, who knows, 30, 40, 50 TTs, maybe not as many as that, we don't know yet. But we've got the usual suspects with us today. So we've got Connor, we've got Luke, we've got Maggie, we've got Vicky, we've got another new guy who's, I forgot his name actually, but he's got a stock standard, just bought his first TT. Yeah, we're travelling up to Beaconsfield to meet up with a few more people. Once we've got there, we'll then be travelling up to the British Motor Museum where we're meeting up with everybody else and see what happens today. So I'll see you along the route, alright?
along, repairing the world with good deeds. Imagine a world where we don't starve, we eat. No such thing as thieves, cause greed be a sin. We all love each other like the next of kin. Listen, are you listening? Listen, are you listening? I wanna live in a world where we practice what we preach. We don't hate, we teach, cause we live with peace, where diseases are cured and everybody chillin'. No skin color, no killing over religion. Listen, are you listening? Listen, are you listening? Can you imagine a world no dark, only light, where we pass no judgment, know the meaning of life? We're all God's people, no struggle, no strife. Money ain't a thing, wealthy by eternal life. Listen, are you listening? Listen, are you listening? No murder, no fear in the world to come. We stay high on life, no ghettos or guns, no slums. Everyone's got a mansion, can you imagine? Listen, are you listening? Listen, are you listening? The lion with the lamb, be at peace, no drugs, no such thing as beat. In the street the kids play, every day it be safe. In the world to come, it's a beautiful day. Listen, are you listening? Listen, are you listening? Olam haba, no need for competition, no egos defeat, cause we all be winning. Our intentions, nothing but good, no jealousy or felonies up in God's hood. Listen, are you listening? Listen, are you listening? Chag every day is like a holiday. Your soul never dies and it don't know pain. Your tongue never lies, only truth remains. Your spirit lives on by the deeds you gain. Listen, are you listening? Listen, are you listening? No moral laws because the soul at peace. No hell to speak of because Satan's deceased. One people in the world to come living in peace. Baruch Hashem, bless the name Elohim. Are you listening? Listen, are you listening? In the world to come, in the world to come, in the world to come, the world is yours. In the world to come, Teshuva.
Just left the British Motor Museum, had a fab day, loads of TTs turned up. There was a load of RSs as well, which was great to see, and one in particular, big shout out to Tom with his forged carbon all over his TTRS. What a machine. Got some really nice shots of some cars, great bunch of people. These guys are so passionate about their TTs, and there's like more things I want to do after seeing what these guys have done to theirs. So I've thoroughly enjoyed myself. It's been a pretty fun day, to be honest. Always is with these guys. Good laugh. It's nice to be around people who share the same passion as you without any judgmental people around, which is lovely. So yeah, I thoroughly enjoy myself. So please like, subscribe if you want to see more content, because it just keeps me going really, if people obviously enjoy it. So I'll continue doing it. So I'll speak on the channel a bit more now. I'll get a little bit more in front of the camera, I'll get a little bit more confident. Instead of just showing cars, I can start explaining and talking about them. One thing coming up on the channel is what I've done to the Rappi TT. So I'm going to go through an A to Z of exactly what I've done, how much each individual thing cost me, and then I'm going to totalise it up at the end. I may do it across 2 series just so I can upload it to YouTube, because it takes so bloody long and my list is so bloody long. So that's the next thing I think I'm going to do. So please like this one, comment, subscribe. Other than that, I'll catch up with you on the next one, and happy days.